Matthew, otherwise known as Mommy.
And I'm Travis Matthew, known as Dad.
And I'm Taylor.
And we're the Matthews. We decided to do this vlog to bring you into our lives and to show you a little bit about what we love to do the most. We love to travel, love to have a good time, and
I like gymnastics too.
Yes, she does. Always flipping all over the place.
Definitely.
That's right. So we hope you enjoy our vlog, and we're going to show you a little bit of our lives and the things we love to do. And hopefully you enjoy it too.
And don't forget to subscribe.